Be glad to get rid of these. I'm sick of tripping over them. So you can see here that that seat is clipped onto there.
Oh, okay. Look, we've got some screws in here.
Oh yeah, we'll take them out then. Screwdriver's in the vase.
This one?
It's in the vase.
Oh. So
that clips onto there. And the hook is a bit off. It like hooks onto itself. I can't remember which way it goes round. Oh yeah, yeah. There. Lost it. There, Jim.
Oh.
And you see, that bit hooks under there.
Okay. And this one's bent. Is this like people put their foot against it or something?
No, I think it's got a curvature to it. But we want to make sure that we can get that, see that piece here?
Yeah.
That hooks under there.
Okay.
And then you clip that one on top.
Does that have a fierce curvature like that one? Or?
I think so, it might be alright, you know.
Yeah.
But that's how that goes.
Right, that goes to the same level as that.
Yeah.
But
That'll be 6 of it anyway, won't it?
cut it. And then we've got one.
I forgot to take
We
this.
don't have a metal bar here.
Huh?
Oh, it doesn't go to a metal bar.
No, it goes straight through, doesn't it?
But
Have you got that screwdriver? I forgot to take them out.
oh,
And then this bit's glued onto here, but just under here, because we don't really need to take this foam off, do we? Mind you, it doesn't matter with these headrests, does it?
why?
Because we're not putting these covers on, are we? We've got headrests.
Yeah,
They'll just go straight in.
yeah.
There you go. There's your foam.
Alright, no glue, no nothing, right?
Now, oh, there's no glue there.
Do we want to glue this
Glue the
now?
foam on, yeah. Yeah, you see, look, you see where the clips have been? They've had these out before, look. So, they're knackered.
So I'm just gluing this.
Glue it around the frame. I mean, it's already on though, isn't it?
It's already on, I'm only gluing this bit. Yeah, well, we didn't.
Yeah, that should be good. That's a nice foam on that one, eh?
That's very good.
It's the only nicest thing we've seen in this bloody job.
So we put it on upside down, put our clips in,
Yeah.
pull it all the way down,
Put the foam up.
put the foam up and put it all the way down. Okay.
Have you got them?
Yeah, so let's fold that up.
Yeah, roll it up. You've got that airline again, Jim, because it's bloody sand everywhere from sandblasting.
Oh. Review it.
Alrighty.
Well, I don't know.
Hmm?
Yes, I don't know. Looks all right. Yeah, the problem is going to be getting the things through, isn't it?
The clips.
Yeah. Let's get our corners in place first.
What the leg.
Hang on a minute. No. Yes, that's good.
Right.
There's a hole in this one.
Where? That's where the screws went through.
Yeah.
So we're alright, aren't we? Now, if I pass this through here, will it hook on?
Wait a minute. Where's your little pricker? And I can grab it.
Here.
Go on. Go through.
Oh, I'll tell you what, give it a bit here. Needle nose pliers, here.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
No.
Is that good?
No.
Yeah. No, shit, it keeps popping off.
You know what? A bit of a string.
Oh, can do, yeah.
Right, hang on, look. If I go through with that, you hook it onto the thing.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh, Jim, you've done this before.
A bit of string, you know, and a Stanley knife, a jar of super glue. I'm away, mate.
Just a minute. Okay.
Oh. Too enthusiastic there.
It's awkward because the hook's on the wrong side to me.
Yeah.
Alright, pull it there.
Okay.
Got it?
Like a glove.
And one more.
Okay. A minute.
Okay.
Alright, they're hooked in. They're all in position.
So
right.
we need to drop that down now.
Now we just come down a little bit at each side. So go on, let's turn it that way. And then you do a little bit and I'll do a little bit. Go on.
Yeah.
See, that's in its spot.
That's right, and that's the most important thing, because if we fanny about with that,
Yeah, I've got my finger stuck.
we're done for.
Oh, I've got to put the foam in.
Yeah, we'll get the foam in.
I'll turn it this way.
Bloody wire. So that was the top.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, you got some. Okay.
Yeah. Going down.
We're down. We're down. We're in.
Yep.
Alright. So now.
Now we have to tuck these bits underneath.
What about these? Oh, these bits go
They
in
go, yeah,
there.
they go in there.
Wait a minute,
around.
wait a minute. Yeah, okay.
And then we'll turn it, we'll tip it. We'd better put something to protect it a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bit of.
Wow.
Now, because this is where it gets tricky. So we've got to hook that.
That
on
has
these
to be
tabs.
on there, right?
That's why I was saying those tabs, Jim. Just wait a
Hang on, I
minute.
can get it.
Can you get it in there? Is it wide
Yeah.
enough?
I think so. That one's it. Oh, right. Okay, well, what you're saying about pulling it out a bit, eh?
I was just thinking about
That one, maybe. Yeah.
tweaking it a bit.
Yeah, that's it. This one seems to have enough.
Right.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, I see. That's got. Oh, I got it.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can go that one. You can pull that one.
Okay, well,
With your big pulling hands.
Look at the sign. Okay, I've got it.
That's it.
No, no.
No, it's just that bit of material there that puts.
Yeah, well, it's meant to. No, it's just there.
Maybe it wants opening up a bit, does it?
No, I don't think so. I want that to be somewhat stiff. It's not holding. I wonder if.
Well, I would just have a look underneath it because there's a lot of material under there.
Mm-hmm.
Just wonder if we just give that an opening out. Because we can always bang it down, can't we?
Yeah. Bring it down. See, that's what I'm saying. It
Bang
needs
it-
to be banged down.
Bang it down.
Can I bang it? Well, look. One way.
Yeah.
That's holding it.
Now, this is the tricky bit. Because
That
we've got
has
to
to
put
go
that,
over.
it locks it into here.
Mm-hmm. Like one of those Ziploc bags.
Yeah.
That's enough there, not enough there. So that's enough there. Oh, well, now am I in? No.
I can't quite see what I'm doing.
I can't see one bit either.
Oh. Once you get it started, it's not bad, is it?
So that's not bad, but it's going. Hang on. Take it away.
I should put some black paint on there, shouldn't I? Le pièce de résistance, monsieur.
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Honky, honky, honk.
Next.
A bit high, but they'll do, won't they?
Next.